Imagine your team needs a new server. Someone logs in, follows a document, makes a few tweaks, and 3 weeks later a mysterious bug appears that nobody can reproduce. That problem has a name, and today we're talking about infrastructure as code. So what exactly is infrastructure as code?
It's the approach of defining your computing and network infrastructure through source code, treated just like any software system. Instead of humans following imprecise documents, you write code that is precise and consistently executed, kept in source control, tested, and brought under continuous delivery.
Walk me through how it actually works.
You start with definition files, shell scripts, Ansible playbooks, chef recipes, Puppet manifests. Those go into source control, so every change is recorded and you can make reproducible builds. From there, a deployment pipeline continuously tests the infrastructure code. Small tested changes then get applied, and the result is consistent infrastructure every time.
When does this approach really pay off?
The more servers you manage, the more essential it becomes. It's a necessary capability for serious microservices adoption, because the scale simply breaks manual processes. It also shines when systems cannot afford downtime. Techniques like blue-green deployment keep services available while changes roll out.
What's the biggest pitfall to avoid?
Manual tinkering. The moment someone logs into a live server and makes an on-the-fly adjustment, you risk creating a snowflake server, a machine with a subtly different configuration that causes faults that are genuinely hard to debug. Large batch updates compound this. The bigger the change, the more likely errors hide inside it, especially when multiple errors interact.
People still trust documents and manual steps. What's the real cost of that?
Human-executed instructions carry the usual level of human reliability. Different people interpret imprecise steps differently, and errors creep in. Code is more precise and consistently executed. Every configuration and every change gets recorded, so you can audit it and diagnose problems with reproducible builds rather than guesswork.
Your checklist. 1. Replace manual steps with executable definition files. 2. Store all configuration in source control. 3. Set up deployment pipelines to test continuously. 4. Make small, incremental changes, not large batches. 5. Use blue-green deployment to keep services available during updates. The core idea: your infrastructure deserves the same discipline as your application code, versioned, tested, and automatically delivered. The source is linked below, recorded July 2026. If this was useful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one.